What a messy ground, Turbo Girl. What are you doing?
I am looking for the toy car my dad bought for me yesterday. Ah, it's here.
It is really a wonderful toy car, but you have made a mess. Can you arrange them neatly?
Sorry, teacher, I'll do it right now.
That is good. Now you've arranged your objects neatly. We can start today's lesson. Turbo Girl, today we are going to learn about picture graph.
Picture graph? What is it?
It shows objects neatly with pictures. Do you know that you have made a picture graph? In this picture graph, there are three types of objects. They are pencils, erasers, and rulers.
Now I know what a picture graph is. The pictures in the graph are so nice. Can you show me another picture graph?
Sure, here it is. This picture graph shows the different types of animals in the zoo. The pictures of animals are arranged horizontally. You can find out how many animals there are in the zoo from the graph.
I see, teacher. What about this one? Is it still a picture graph?
Of course, Turbo Girl. In this picture graph, we use triangle pictures to stand for the fruits. One triangle is one fruit. For example, there are 10 triangles for apples, 8 triangles for oranges, 5 triangles for bananas, and 6 triangles for pears. That means there are 10 apples, 8 oranges, 5 bananas, and 6 pears.
That's great, teacher. Now I can draw a picture graph to show the number of my toy cars in different colors, even though I am not good at drawing.
You can? Show me.
I have 5 yellow toy cars, 5 blue toy cars, and 7 red toy cars. First, I write down 3 names for 3 types of toy cars. They are yellow toy car, blue toy car, and red toy car. Instead of drawing cars, I am drawing circles. Each circle stands for 1 toy car. So I draw 5 circles for yellow cars, 5 circles for blue cars, and 7 circles for red cars. That is it.
It looks very nice, Turbo Girl. Turbo Girl, can you take out the picture graph you have made?
No problem.
How many toy cars are there altogether?
Let me count them first. There are 5 yellow cars, 5 blue cars, and 7 red cars. I have to add up these 3 numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 and 7 makes 17. Therefore, there are 17 toy cars altogether.
Well said, Turbo Girl. Next question for you. How many more red cars are there than blue cars?
The number of red cars is 7 and the number of blue cars is 5. Therefore, there are 2 more red cars than blue cars.
Good. Now let's look at this picture graph. Can you tell me if there are fewer rulers than pencils?
There are 3 rulers and 7 pencils. So, there are 4 fewer rulers than pencils.
This graph also tells us that there are 4 erasers. Tell me how many pieces of stationery are there altogether?
I have to add up the 3 numbers for these 3 types of stationery. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 and 4 make 14. Teacher, there are 14 pieces of stationery altogether.
Well done, Turbo Girl. It's almost time, Turbo Girl. Tell me, what have you learned today?
Wow, teacher, I enjoyed today's lesson very much. Through this lesson, I know that a picture graph arranges objects in a neat way. We can use different pictures like circle pictures to represent different types of objects. Now I can draw my own picture graph. Given a picture graph, I can find the information I want. For example, I know that I have 2 red toy cars more than blue toy cars. Also, I can find out how many toy cars I have. The picture graph is very useful.
I'm glad to know that you have learned very well in today's lesson. Okay, we stop here. See you then. Bye.
Bye, teacher.